Before you start your installation, please read the instruction manual and make sure you have necessary tools available to hand. Unpack the wall panels and check they are in perfect condition for installation. If there is a shower tray already in situ, it is important to protect the tray during installation. You can use the wall panel packaging to do this. Make sure the walls are smooth and dry prior to installation. Giorgio wall panels are available in different sizes. However, if you need to cut them to a bespoke size, use a diamond blade cutter. Before installation, it is important to clean the back of the panels to maximize adhesion. Apply double-sided adhesive tape to the wall on the perimeter of the wall panel position. Next, apply MS polymer adhesive to the walls. The purpose of the tape is to hold the panels in position whilst the adhesive sets. Place the panel on top of the tray in line with the adhesive tape. Slowly lift the panel into position and press firmly against the wall. Finally, apply MS polymer in the joint between the panel and the wall. Remove any excess glue and cut any remains of adhesive tape. Using silicone and a silicone gun, apply silicone in the joint between the two panels. If a tray is already installed, you can now apply silicone to the edge of the tray against the wall panels. Please wait 24 hours before installing your chosen shower enclosure or screen, as this will allow the MS polymer adhesive to reach maximum strength.